It is a nice hot. This over here is, we're gonna take a shower. Wow, you can't see me. We're gonna take a shower, and I'm taking a cold shower because I am hot. So yeah. If I record afterwards, cool. If I don't and forget, also cool. I'm gonna try not to forget. Take a look. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But you can just see. Nothing else over there. The lily is right there. Did you guys see that rabbit? I don't know if you saw it. But look at that. There's the lily. So pretty. The rabbit is gone, but there's the sky. Let's see if we can get a better angle. I think it's so pretty. So, something I wanted to show you guys is the entertainment, which is kind of a wreck right now, but it's fine. But look, it lights up with this little remote. And then we have, yes, I'm wearing pants. They're just covered by shorts. But then we have these, and look, all around here, we've just got lights. And I even put lights in here, because Nick is going to do something with that corner. I don't know what he's gonna do, but he's gonna do something. It's absolutely beautiful tonight. Yeah? What's up? Yeah? How are you? It's just so pretty. That looks really pretty. And then you can hear the mourning doves. So pretty. I heard something, so I'm going back inside. It's okay. I'm a little paranoid. But she's in the cat tree. She's playing in the box. That box there just has cat food in it. Cartel? I have to play cartel? They probably got weed in that thing. Okay, so I just finished editing a video for the main channel. We got the video. We got one video ready to go. Here we go, it's exporting, so it's just a little bit of a gaming video, and hopefully we can get that up. Other than that, I think I'm going to get possibly the vlog put together and uploaded for my channel. I don't entirely know yet.